You know when you have those leftover pieces of leather about this size and you just don't know what to do with them? I'm going to give you a really quick and easy project that you can do. You can either use single-sided or double-sided leather. If you have single-sided, go ahead and glue 2 pieces of leather wrong sides together, and it can be any kind of rectangle or square shape. And I'm going to show you a nifty little trick. No sewing involved. The easiest thing to do with leftover leather is to make little trays. And you can do this with rivets or Chicago screws, anything you have that you can go ahead and clip together. Or if you don't have that and you prefer to sew, we can certainly have you stitch this instead, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you the no-sew method today. So I really think that double-sided leather is perfect for this. If you don't have double-sided leather, again, glue 2 pieces of leather wrong sides together and then cut out a square or rectangle, whichever you prefer. From there, you want to fold the corners so that they create a point here, right in the corner. And then I'm going to measure in 1 inch from the corner and make a mark about 3/8 of an inch down. And I'm going to do that on all sides. Once I make the mark, I'm going to punch a hole. And we're going to repeat. So 1 inch from the side and about 3/8 of an inch down. And when I say side, it's 1 inch from this point right here. Now, obviously, if you want your dish to be deeper, then you would put more than 1 rivet in, or you would come further down. If you want it to be larger, you just have to cut a larger square or rectangle. You can be very creative with this. You could embroider something in the base of your tray. You can use 2 different color leathers like what I'm doing here. Basically, the options are limitless. Once you get all of your holes punched, you're going to go ahead and put the rivets in. So I'm just going to go ahead and from the wrong side or the back side, go ahead and put the rivet through. I'm using 8mm rivets here. This is going to depend on the thickness of your leather. I will go over to my press and press these rivets in. Because we're working with leather, leather holds its shape, and you can certainly bend and shape this the way you want. What I do from here is to go ahead and just kind of fold these sides over where I want them and just go ahead and tap them with a hammer. And once these rivets are set, we then have our nifty tray. Now, if you don't have rivets, again, you can go ahead and stitch in place of rivets, or you can use snaps here if you prefer to just snap these together. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little scrap project. Make yourself a couple of trays. Go ahead and use them for whatever you see fit. And until next time, everybody, happy sewing.